What makes a good investment property? What are the key signs to look out for? And how can you ensure you're making a sound decision? Dive into the world of real estate with these questions in mind. First and foremost, a good investment property is one that brings positive cash flow. This means the income generated from the property, typically through rent, exceeds the expenses associated with owning and managing it. It's important to calculate this accurately, taking into account factors like mortgage repayments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. Next, a desirable location is crucial. A property in a high-demand area will not only attract more tenants or buyers, but it's also more likely to appreciate in value over time. Look for areas with excellent amenities, good schools, convenient transport links, and promising development plans. Another key factor is the property's condition. While it's true that dilapidated properties can often be bought at a lower price, the renovation costs can quickly add up. On the other hand, a property in excellent condition might cost more upfront, but it could save you a lot in the long run. Always get a professional inspection before making a decision. Don't forget to consider the property's potential for appreciation. While it's impossible to predict the future with absolute certainty, you can make educated guesses based on market trends and economic forecasts. A property that's likely to increase in value over time is a solid investment. Lastly, it's vital to understand the local rental market. Knowing what kind of tenants are in demand and what they're willing to pay in rent can greatly influence your investment decision. For example, if you're buying in a university town, a property that's suitable for students might be a good bet. To summarize, spotting a good investment property involves assessing its cash flow potential, location, condition, appreciation potential, and the local rental market. Remember, real estate investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, thorough research, and strategic decision-making. But with these pointers in mind, you're well on your way to making a sound investment. And that wraps up our journey through the world of real estate investment. Remember, every property is unique, and what works for one investor might not work for another. Always do your homework, consult with professionals, and trust your instincts. After all, the best investment you can make is an informed one. As we transition from our journey through the world of real estate investment, let's put a face to the wisdom we've shared. Meet Annette Hibbler, a seasoned real estate agent with over a decade of first-hand experience in investment properties. Annette's expertise runs deep. Spotting good investment properties is second nature to her. She has honed her skills over the years, always keeping an eye out for potential appreciation, understanding the local rental market, and assessing the condition of the property. Her success stories are many, and her satisfied clients are a testament to her skill and dedication. From first-time investors who were guided step-by-step through their first purchase, to seasoned investors who relied on Annette's keen eye for a great deal, the feedback is unanimous. Annette is a true asset in the field of real estate investment.